ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। अक्षर ब्राह्मण earlier in the seventh mantra or earlier also sixth mantra etc. the shabda Dhyava Prithivyav had come. Dhyava Prithivyav, what is the sutra? How Dhyava comes?
Divodhyava.
Divo Dhyava is the sutra. For Divo Dhyava to work, there is a next sutra actually. So Divo Dhyava number is 29, 6329. 6330 sutra Divasasya Prithivyam. Divo Dhyava does Diva Shabda Dhyava Adesha. But the next sutra, Divasasya Prithivyam, says only when it is Prithivi. So the Uttarpada, if it is Prithivi, then this sutra will come. Divasasya Prithivyam. If the Uttarpada is Bhumi, Kshama, etc., then Dhyava Bhumi, Dhyava Kshama, these padas will come. This Dvandva Samasa will happen. If the Uttarapada is Prithivi, then Divasasya Prithivyam, this sutra will come. In Divasasya Prithivyam, the Chakara will do Divo Dhyava. So Divo Dhyava is repeated. Anuvritti is there in the next sutra. So you make sure that Divasasya Prithivyam is the Mukhya Sutra there. And that Chakara, Divo Dhyava, Anuvritti is there. So Chakara, Dhyavaja. That is how Divo will become Divas. Divas will become Dhyava. Okay. 6330 Sutra. So note that. Okay, further, page number 871. Tika. Ishwarastitve Hetwantram Aha. So, introduction to Mantra 10. Ishwara Astitve. Ishwara Astitve. So, you have to remember this is Tatastha Lakshana of Akshara. Hetwantram Aha. Hetus are being given for Akshara. Itascha asti tadaksharam. Yasmat तदज्ञाने नियता संसारोपपत्तिर भवितव्यम तु तेन यद विज्ञानात् तद विच्छेदो न्याय उपपत्तेः। इतस्य अस्ति तदक्षरम। For this reason also that akshara is there. Tadaksharam asti. Yasmat tad ajnane niyata samsaropapattihi. Why akshara is there? Because of whose ajnanam there is niyata samsara. Niyamit rupena there is samsara prapti. नियता संसारोपपत्ति ही संसार 22 टिप्पणी तीव्र अनर्थ परंपरा प्राप्ति ही संसार इज तीव्र अनर्थ परंपरा वन इज अनर्थ परंपरा इज देयर नंबर 2 तीव्र सो प्रॉब्लम्स आफ्टर प्रॉब्लम्स sometimes it is a blessing if there are problems after problems and you can recognize this is what samsara is. Problems after problems are there for everybody. We just think only why I am going through one after the other problems. But it is not, you are not Vishesha, everybody has that. But I should understand this is because Akshara Ajnana. This is what Bhagavan Bhashyakar is saying. Yad Ajnanat Tivra Anartha Parampara Praptihi. And it becomes more evident when you are old than at body level. Old means not necessarily age-wise. When things start falling apart, this is not working, that is not working, that is called old age. So, Tivra Anartha Parampara Prapti. 23rd Tippani. Niyata Samsaropapattihi. Niyata Rupena Samsara Upapattihi. This is Arthapatti Pramana. तथा च संसारोपपत्ति नैयत्य नैयत्य मीन्स नियत रूपेण नैयत्य अन्यथानुपपत्त्या तद बीज अज्ञान विषयेण अक्षरेण भाव्यम इति भावः। नियत संसार उपपत्ति अन्यथानुपपत्त्या संसार उपपत्ति नैयत्य Samsara Upapatti Nayatya would not have been there if its bija Ajnana. Whose Ajnana? Akshara Ajnana. Ajnanasya Vishaya is Akshara. Tad bija Ajnana Vishayena Aksharena Bhavyam. I mean Bhavitavyam. And therefore, if I have Jnanam of Akshara, samsara nivritti will happen. If Akshara Ajnana was not there, samsara would not have been. Sansara would not have been there. This is called samsara upapatti yatya anyatha anupapatti. Which lakara is this? Sansara upapatti na abhavishyat. This is ring lakara upayoga is in this way. Therefore, bhavitavyam tu tena yad vijnanat tad vichchedo nyayopapattehe. Therefore, bhavitavyam tu tena तेन भवितव्यम मीन्स तद भवेत अव्यम व्हाट यद विज्ञानात् तद विच्छेद तद विच्छेद संसार विच्छेद by whose jnanam anartha parampara vichcheda would happen. That is yukti yuktam, yukti sadbhava. Nyaya means here yukti, it is yukti yuktam. Therefore, akshara has to be there, whose knowledge will remove samsara, whose ajnanam will create samsara. So there is some such thing. टीका मोक्ष ज्ञान हेतु विषयत्वेनापि तदस्ति. How this akshara siddhi is happening now? So Ishvara, you should understand akshara only, because whose jnanam will give moksha, not saguna brahma, akshara jnana, nirguna brahma. So moksha hetu jnana vishayatvena api tad asti ityaha bhavitavyam iti. Yad jnanat pravrittir या तज्ञानात् सा निवर्तते. यद ज्ञानात् प्रवृत्तिर्या तज्ञानात् सा निवर्तते. Because of whose pravritti which is there, by whose jnanam that pravritti will go. Sa pravrittihi nivartate iti nyaya. कर्मवशेव मोक्ष सिद्धे तद हेतु ज्ञान विषयत्वेन अक्षरम नाभ्यम इति ते. Karmavashat, somebody says moksha will happen through karma. Why you need jnanam? Tad hetu jnana vishayatvena aksharam na abhyupeyam iti shankate. Nanu kriyata eva tad vichittihi syad iti chet na. उत्तर वाक्येन to the next mantra is in that context. Mantra number 10. Yo va etadaksharam gargyad avidittvasmin loke juhoti yajate tapastapyate bahuni varsha sahasranyan tavadevasya तद्भवति. यो वा एतदक्षरं गार्ग्य विदित्वा स्माल्लोकात् प्रैति सकृपणो अथ य एतदक्षरं गार्गी विदित्वा स्माल्लोकात् प्रैति स ब्राह्मणः. यो वा एतदक्षरं गार्गी अविदित्वा अस्मिन् लोके जुहोति. Not knowing that akshara means remaining ajnani. And juhoti yajate means he makes any offerings in fire. Every shabda, Bada Maharaj has given tippani. Juhoti devata uddeshena sankalpitam dravyam agnau prakshipati. This is offering in the fire. But devata uddeshena. And yajate, yaga is devata uddeshena dravya tyaga. Sankalpa matrena. So devata uddeshena dravyam sankalpayati. So juhoti yajate. Tapaha tapyate. Tapaha chandrayana ityadi. Other tapas, whatever, upavasadi, tirtha yatra. Bahuni varsha sahasrani. For thousands of years. Varsha sahasrani. Antavad eva asya. Antavat tu ime tesham tadbhavatyalpamedasam. Whatever that they do, जुहोति यजते तपः तप्यते etc. That phalam will be antavat alpamat alpamedasam. देवान देवयजो यान्ति मद्भक्ता यान्ति मामपि. So that phalam is anitya. अंतवदेव अस्य तद्भवति तत्फलम अंतवद भवति. यो वा एतदक्षरम गार्गी अविदित्वा अस्मान् लोकात् प्रैति. From this world, हे गार्गी, if somebody departs अविदित्वा अस्मान् लोकात् प्रैति स कृपणः. कृपणः means miser. Is a kripa patra, is the nindaniya, or is a miserly person. अथ य एतदक्षरम गार्गी विदित्वा अस्मात् लोकात् प्रैति स ब्राह्मणः. And if there is someone who knows this aksharam, viditva asmad lokat praiti, is a brahmana. Viditva is tva pratyaya. Instead of viditva, if it was lyap, then vignyaya would make it lyap pratyaya. So tva pratyaya, to make it lyap, what is the sutra?
समासे नए पूर्वे त्वोल्यप.
Samase नए पूर्वे त्वोल्यप. Tva pratyaya becomes lyap pratyaya in a samasa. Asmat lokat prati sab brahmana. Means if I know Akshar Brahma and I depart, I am Brahmana. If I don't know and I depart, I am Kripana. Praiti means Mrityum Prapyate. 13 number tippani. Mriyate. Kripanaha is given in 15 number tippani. Dinaha. Panikrita dasavat. Panikrita means he is purchased for money. That person is Kripana. He is helpless. Whatever the master says, he has to do. So for us, whatever the karmas decide, we are just slaves of that karma. Not jnani. Jnani is mukta. He is mukta from karma bandhana. Ashya na. Yova etad aksharam he gargi aviditva avijnaya. अस्मिन् लोके जुहोति यजते तपस्तप्यते यद्यपि बहुनि वर्ष सहस्राणि or thousands of years, if someone does all this, antavadeva asya tat phalam bhavati. His phalam is antavad. Tat phala upabhogante kshiyante eva asya karmani. After the phala bhoga, those karma kshaya will happen. So good karmas also kshaya will happen, bad karmas also kshaya will happen. But there is no end, so samsara will continue. Tika, yasya jnanad asakrit anusthitani vishishta phalani api sarvani karmani samsaram eva phalayanti. Tad ajnatam aksharam nasti iti ayuktam samsara bhava prasangad iti bhava. Yasya ajnanat. because of whose ajnanam asakrit anushthitani विशिष्ट फलानि अपि सर्वाणि कर्माणि. Asakrit, more than once, means many times people go on doing this anushtanam, that japa, puja, samsara nivritti doesn't happen. And they all are vishishta phalani, not sadharana. Yagas are going on, yajana, homas are going on, big. The upavasadi I mentioned, but here Chandrayana means Vaidika karma, Vaidika tapa, Vaidika homa, all of them, even if they are performed for Varsha Sahasrani, samsara nivritti doesn't happen. That akshara, because of whose ajnanam samsara has come, that akshara is not there, is a sahasam only. Tad ajnatam aksharam nasti iti ayuktam. Samsara bhav prasanga, then samsara would not have been there, but samsara is there. Therefore, akshara is also there. Apicha yad vijnanat karpanya atyayah akshara astitve hetvantaramaha. And another hetu is given for akshara astitva. Apicha yad vijnanat karpanya atyayah samsara vichchedo yad vijnana bhavacha कर्मकृत कृपणः कृतफलस्यैव उपभोक्ता जनन मरण प्रबंधारूढ़ः संसरति. यद विज्ञानात्, by whose ज्ञानम, तत् कार्पण्य अत्ययः, अत्ययः निवृत्ति. 9 नंबर टिप्पणी. यह स्वल्पामपि वित्तक्षतिं न क्षमते स कृपणः इति लोके प्रसिद्धः. Who is a कार्पण्य कृपणः swalpam vittakshatim na kshamate. Little bit also, if the wealth is spent, he cannot stand. He is a kripana. Means if you spend money on appropriate things where it is required, then it is okay. But for kripanaha, even what is required, they don't want money to be spent. But if you tell, no, this is free, then it is okay. Or if you buy something, let us say for 1,000 rupees, and if somebody, some kripana will ask, how much did you pay? This is 150 rupees. It's okay. Vittakshati, they don't want. Ide kripana. Tad vidhatvad akhilo api anatmavida, anatmavid, aprapta purusharthataya kripano bhavati. This anatmavid ajnani, akhilopi, he is also same, tad vidhatvad. Because he is aprapta purushartha. Aprapto purushartho, apraptah purushartho yena, saha aprapta purushartha. Taya aprapta purusharthataya kripano bhavati. Purusharthataya purusharthena tritiya tasya bhavah karpanyam. अनात्म अध्यासवत्वम तस्य अत्ययो ध्वंस इत्यर्थः. He has anatma adhyasa. This karpanya atyaya is dhvansa of adhyasa, anatma adhyasa, which is through jnana. Ashya So yad vijnanat karpanya atyaya, samsara vichhedo. Yad vijnana abhavat, and in whose absence of knowledge, karmakrit kripanaha, the karma karta is a kripanaha. He is a pitiable person. Krita phalasyaiva upabhokta. Whatever karma he has performed, he is upabhokta. Goes on experiencing. So every moment we are going to experience something. Sometimes okay karma, good karma. Most of the times negative karma phalas. So janana marana prabandharudaha samsarati. He goes through samsara. Tad asti aksharam prashasitru tad etad uchyate. That aksharam is existing. So janma marana prabandharudaha. This is also Bahurehi samasa. टीका पूर्ववाक्यम जीवद अवस्थ पुरुष विषयम इदम तु परलोक विषयम इति विशेषम मत्वा उत्तर वाक्यम अवतार्य व्याचष्टे. पूर्ववाक्यम जीवद अवस्थ पुरुष विषयम. पूर्ववाक्यम इज विच वाक्यम? बड़े महाराज जी हैज गिवन टिप्पणी ऑन एवरीथिंग. सो otherwise we will have to think. In the mantra, if you see, first vakyam is yova etadaksharam gargi abhiditva juhoti yajate tapate, etc. Second vakya is yova etadaksharam gargi abhiditva praiti, and atha gargi viditva praiti. So in this way, yova, that juhoti yajate tapastapati, this is jivad avastha. Then when he is about to depart, there is yova gargi aviditva praiti saha kripanaha viditva praiti saha brahmana. This is second. So that's why he says now, yova iti arabhya tad bhavati paryantam. Tad bhavati antavad eva asya tad bhavati. This is first vakya. This is for jivat avastha. Now, idam tu paraloka vishayam. The next vakya is yova, starting from there up to brahmana. Yova means which vakya? Aviditva praiti saha kripana, viditva praiti saha brahmana. The entire thing is one vakya. That vakya is for paraloka vishayam. Iti vishesham matva uttar vakyam avatare vyachashte tadetad uchyate yova etad aksharam gargi aviditva asmad lokat praiti saha kripana. Kripanaha, so you have to remember these words. Kripanaha means is like a servant purchased for money, and he is now helpless. Like that, Ajnani is helpless in this samsara because of karma. So whenever I feel I am helpless in situations, I cannot do whatever I want, I cannot have whatever I want. So what should I understand?
I am Kripana. I should remember I am Kripana.
Not Kripana.
No, you will know that you are Kripana, but you should also know that I should work hard. That if I feel I am helpless, that means Ajnanam is there. And if immediately the knowledge comes that no, why should I waste my time and energy in fixing things outside? I know I am Brahma, I am the Adhishthanam. Then I will not be Kripana. So the seriousness on this path should increase. तद अस्ति अक्षरम प्रशासितृ तदेतद उच्यते यो वा एतदक्षरम गार्गी अविदित्वा अस्मात् लोकात् प्रैति सकृपणः पणक्रीतः इव दासादिः. Somebody who is purchased for money, panakritah, like dasa, etc. Athaya etadaksharam gargi viditva asmat lokat praiti sab brahmanaha. And after knowing, if he departs, is a brahmanaha. 16 number tippani. Nanu akshar vido yuktam akarpanyam. Karpanya hetu ajnanasya akshara jnanena apanayat. Brahmanyam tu anyasyapi tulyam. इति कथं तत्फलत्वेन उक्तम इत्याशंक्य. अक्षरविदः युक्तम अकार्पण्यम. Person who does not know, person who knows aksharam, अक्षरविदः अकार्पण्यम युक्तम. He is not कृपणः, he is अकृपणः. कार्पण्य हेतु अज्ञानस्य अक्षर ज्ञानेन अपनयात्. Because कार्पण्य हेतु is अक्षर अज्ञानम. This nivritti has happened through akshara jnanam. Akshara jnanena apanayat. Brahmanyam tu anyasyapi tulyam. But Brahmanyam can be there for others also. Why you are saying only he is a Brahmana? So who is a real Brahmana according to Shastra? One who knows Brahma. Brahma janati Brahmana. The other Brahmana is Janma Brahmana, Karma Brahmana, but this is Mukhya. Brahmanyam tu anyasyapi tulyam iti katham tat phalattvena uktam ityashankya samahitam vartike. In Vartika, samadhanam is done. Yastvakshara parignanan mrutyuh pramiyate sa eva brahmano nanyo जगत्यध्यवसीयताम. यह तु अक्षर परिज्ञानान् मृत्युः मृत्यु प्रमीयते. अक्षर परिज्ञानात्, with the complete knowledge of akshara. Paritah jnana, parijnanat, the one who brings mrityu of mrityu. Mrityoho mrityuhu, mrityu mrityuhu. Pramiyate. So the one who realizes the end of death, end of kala, end of ajnanam. Sa eva brahmano, he is a brahmana. Na anya, not the other one. Not the other one means karmana, janmana. He is not superior brahmana. Why? Jagati adhyavasiyatam. Because he has ajnanam. This should be Jagati means na anyaha jagati. In jagat, the other brahmana is not brahmana. Adhyavasiyatam. This nishchaya should be done. Adhyavasaya is nishchaya. Sarvajnyaha sarvakrityaasau nirasta shesha samsritihi prapta shesha pumarthascha brahmanotra vidhiyate. सर्वज्ञः सर्वकृत च असौ. This person, this jnani is sarvajna. He is sarvakrit. He has done all karmas. And he is a brahmana. Who is a brahmana? He is a sarvajna. He is sarvakrit. Nirasta ashesha samsritihi. All samsara he has ended. And nirasta ashesha samsriti is bahuvrihi. Prapta ashesha pumarthasya. This is also bahuvrihi. प्राप्तः प्राप्त और प्राप्तो शेष पुमर्थः येन सह प्राप्ता शेष पुमर्थः. अशेष पुरुषार्थ ही हैज अटेन्ड एंड संसार निवृत्ति ही हैज ब्रॉट. निरस्ता शेष संसृति. So this is Mukhya Brahmanya. Next. प्रधानवादिनः शङ्कामनुद्य उत्तरवाक्येन निराकरोति. प्रधानवादी 6 number टिप्पणी सांख्य. Their shanka is brought and then its nirakaranam is done by this 11th mantra. अग्नेर दहन प्रकाशकत्ववत् स्वाभाविकम अस्य प्रशास्त्रत्वम अचेतनस्य एव इत्यत आह. अग्नेः दहन प्रकाशकत्ववत्. How Agni is having dahana, daha shakti, prakashana shakti. Agnehe dahana prakashakatvavat. Agnehe shashti vibhakti. Swabhavikam asya prashastritvam. Achetanasya prashastritvam means it is prashasta of the Jagat, who Pradhanam, who Purva Pakshi will say, Sankhya. Agni is Jada. Agni has Dahana Shakti. Agni has Prakashana Shakti. It's Swabhavika. It doesn't have to be Chaitanya. Pradhana is Jada. It can have Prashasana Shakti. This is the Purva Paksha. Mantra. Tadva etadaksharam gargya drishtam drashtra shrutam shrotra shrotri amatam mantri amatam avignatam vignatri नान्यदतो अस्ति द्रष्टृ नान्यदतो अस्ति श्रोतृ नान्यदतो अस्ति मंत्र नान्यदतो अस्ति विज्ञातृ एतस्मिन् खलु अक्षरे गार्ग्य आकाश ओतश्च प्रोतश्च इति. Question is also answered. कस्मिन् खलु आकाश ओतश्च प्रोतश्च अक्षरे. तद्वा एतदक्षरं गार्गी अदृष्टम द्रष्टृ अश्रुतम श्रोत्री अमतम मंत्र अविज्ञातम विज्ञातृ. This aksharam is adrishta, but it is drashta. It is ashruta, it is shrota, it is amata, manta, it is avijnata, it is vijnata. But because akshara is Napunsakalinga, so therefore he has used, Shruti has used Drashtri, Shrotri, Adrishtam, Drashtri. It is Drashta, instead of Drashta, Drashtri, Shrotri, Mantri, Vignatri, in this way. Trich Pratyanta Rupa is there. Drashtuhu, Dhatu is Drishir, Prekshane. Trich Pratyaya, when it comes by the sutra, Nul Trichau. Then for Drisha to become Drashta or Drashtru, Sriji Drishor Jhalyam Akiti. Sriji Drishor Jhalyam Akiti, this will bring Akara. Then Drasha will become Drasha. Drasha Tri, because of Ikoyanchi, and then Vrasya, Vrasya, Srijam, Rajaya, Raja, Braja, Chasham, Shah. So Drishir, that Shakara will become Murdhanya. Then Drashtu, Shtunashtu, Drashtu Shabda will come. But for Shrotru, it is easy. Shru, Trich Pratyaya, Sarvadhatuka, Ardhadhatuka Yoho, Shrotri, Mantra, Vignatru, etc. Only Drashtru is little longer process. So how we should understand? I am this Drashta who cannot be seen. I am the Shrota who cannot be heard. Means I know outside world because I am Chaitanya, Drashta, Shrota, Manta, Vijnata. But they cannot know me. They means Vishayas. Indriyani. They cannot know me. And then he says, Nanyad ato asti drashtru, Nanyad ato asti shrotru, Nanyad ato asti mantru, Nanyad ato asti vijnatru. There is no other drashta, shrota, manta, vijnata. Means there is only one Chaitanya. That alone is real drashta, shrota, manta, vijnata. There are no other drashta, shrota, manta. Other drashta, shrota, they are Abhasa, Chidabhasa. They are not Satyam. Etasminnu khalu akshare gargi, in this akshara, akasha is ota prota. Hashya. Tadva etad aksharam gargi adrishtam na kenachid drishtam. Avishayatvat. Nobody has seen, nobody can see because it is avishaya. Swayam tu drashtri, drishti swarupa. It is drishi swarupa, drishti swarupatvat. Tatha ashrutam, shrotra vishayatvat. Swayam shrotri. It is ashrutam. It is not vishaya of shrotra, indriya, etc. But swayam is the shrotri, swayam shrota. Why? Shruti swarupatvat. It is of the nature of Shravana itself, Shruti Swarupa. Tatha amatam manaso avishayatvat. It is not vishaya of mana. It is not vishaya of darshana, shravana, etc. Swayam mantra mati swarupatvat. It is mati swarupa. Tatha avijnatam buddhehe avishayatvat. Swayam vijnatri vijnana swarupatvat. It is buddhi avishaya, but it is the knower. Up to this we keep. Then itascha aksharasya na achetanattvam. For this reason also akshara is not achetana. Akshara has to be chetana. In Brahma Sutra, you know now, it is analyzed in different way. Here it is analyzed with this mantra. ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति।